So guys, welcome to yet another video. In today's video we are going to review about a software that is going to help you to recover your lost files, your important data and your precious data that you might have accidentally deleted and you want to recover the same. So we will understand step-by-step process like what is that software, how you can download it, step-by-step process to recover your files, and what type of files can be recovered using this software. So if you are a content creator or a business owner or a student or a professional, you have important data and that data can be deleted accidentally from your disk drives or pen drives. Now I have a software that can help you to recover that accidentally deleted files and data from your PC or hard drive. So we are going to completely review this software from the installation to the recovery of files step by step. Now let's see how to download this software. In the Google you just type in myrecover.com. Now this is the link wherein you have to click in. Now this is the website wherein you can see the different features of this software. So now let us see the shortcut journey of the download and the installation of this software. Simply click on the download firmware option and your download will start. Let's quickly install the software and let's get started. So guys, if you check my previous videos where I have reviewed multiple data recovery software, I have noticed that this user interface of this particular software is very easy and simple to understand. You can see the different drives easily from which you can recover the data. Recover files after emptying the recycle bin. That means if you have deleted the files and the files have gone to the recycle bin, you can still be able to recover the files from the recycle bin. Now let's try to delete something from the folder pen drive, and we will see whether this software is able to recover the complete files or not. Now let's see how it works. Now to test the recovery, we have to delete some photos and files from my F drive in the folder called Canon Photos. So I will show you the folder and the files. You can see there are complete 91 files, and from these 91 files I am going to delete the 10 files or 10 photos. To make it easier for you, I am going to select the 10 files from this folder and I am going to delete, and these files will be gone into the recycle bin. Now let's confirm whether these files are in the recycle bin or not. Now these 10 files or the photos I have deleted from my particular folder. Now let's try to recover it from the MyRecover software. To check the maximum capacity of this software, we will be deleting the files from the recycle bin itself. So that means we are going to permanently delete these files from the recycle bin as well. Now these files have been gone from the recycle bin as well, and these are permanently deleted. Now let's click on the recycle bin recovery option and we will be recovering the files which are permanently deleted from the recycle bin. Once you select the recycle bin recovery option, it will ask you the original location of the files from which the files have been deleted and moved to the recycle bin. Within a fraction of seconds, you can see the software is able to recover 127 GB of the files. That is totally amazing. Now on the left hand side you will see the file type and the file path. Now as we have deleted the files from the recycle bin, we will select the recycle bin option and the deleted file option. Select the files that we want to recover and your files will be successfully recovered. One thing that we have to make sure that the recover file folder has to be different location than the original file folder. For an example, if we are recovering the file from the C drive, we have to create the recover folder in a D drive. So if you focus on the screen, you will be able to see the files have been successfully recovered. Now let's cross verify the files which we have deleted in the folder, and let's open the folder where we have recovered the files. Now you can see the folder name recycle bin recovery is there, and I am opening the folder. Now let's see the 10 files and the photos which we have deleted from the F drive has been successfully recovered in this particular folder. Now let's open these images and photos one by one to see whether we can use these images and these are usable or not. Now let's open one image and see what exactly it looks like. Yes, you can completely use the image. As the recovered image is in complete resolution and in intact format, we can completely reuse it for the printing purpose or any other editing purpose. So this is how this software 100% works to recover your 100% deleted data even from the recycle bin. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. This video was in collaboration with the MyRecover.com. So check the link in the description and start recovering your file as soon as possible. So guys, what exactly you are waiting for? Just check the download link in the description. Download the software from this link and you can right away start recovering your lost files and data. Now the most important part. So if you are a first time visitor on my YouTube channel, I recommend you to please subscribe my channel for more such content and videos. On this channel, I review the tech products and the softwares where we can recover the lost files and data. If you want to collaborate with me, you can email me or contact me on my email ID. Thank you so much. For more such videos, please follow and subscribe my channel Decoding Life 19, and thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.